Hi, I'm Bob Hartman. I'd like to welcome you to Classic's annual open house. It's a 3-day affair. We've done it for years now. And we began this actually through result of a breeding program where we were trialing varieties at other trial locations. And we saw the benefits of that, where people actually got to see plants planted in the landscape. And we thought, you know, we need to do this. We've got over 80 patented varieties and carry nearly 100. And so this is an opportunity to have the consuming public come in and see what caladiums can do, what they can be, and the diversity. And so our breeding program has enhanced sun tolerance, height, color, vigor, and most people, you know, aren't familiar with that. So we do this to basically educate people, and in the process we have a food vendor, and we feed you all lunch, give you free water and tours, and we sell plants and bulbs at the same time. But the main purpose is to educate, and so we hope you enjoy it. And if you can't join us this year, we hope you can in the future. Thank you very much.
Just beautiful. I just thought gorgeous. This was all flat land, but it's not, and it's absolutely beautiful.
It's like an art museum.
I love caladiums because they're easy to grow. Lots of color. We have a big yard and with several different areas, and it just brings such dimension to the property. So.
Also, it's a great way to accent the landscape, because there's a lot of green. And to be able to have these different designs and different colors, it really allows that landscape to pop with all that green in the background.
Like that one looks like polka dots over there. And your favorite one over there, Walter, because of the colors.
The colors look so...
Yeah, it depends on where you...
It's just beautiful. Look at the colors.
Good afternoon, everyone. We had a great weekend with open houses. We were able to connect with a lot of retail customers and have good laughs, good information, good tours. If you need any additional information on us or our company, please visit us at the website below. Thank you.